welcome back to my channel. This is Shanvi. Here I am Shanvi with a new fun video. So today I am here and this is time for the evening soon. Not soon, it was almost evening. And we are hanging out and this time I am in my car, you just can see. So here I am और मैं अपने मॉम डैड और एंजल और मैं जा रही हूँ. So मतलब जा रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं. So Angel है भी आगे बैठी and this is you can see this is a school called Amchi. Okay. So अभी बहुत हवा चल रही है ऊपर अभी ठंडी का भी टाइम है. So बहुत आग से मेरे पास मैंने ये हेलमेट लगाया. So आज मैंने किया है पोनी. मैं ज़्यादातर बाल खुला रखती हूँ. You can see I have done pony और I have carried one of my sweater that is in the rainbow color. It is in the black but the क्या क्या बोल सकते हैं बट जो भी है बट कुछ लाइट्स है उसमें जो कि रेनबो फॉर्म करते हैं. करते हैं. Now I am at the way and the first the plant is guys wait I will show you one thing. Okay wait. Wow. Wait. Here we are having a zoo. Okay this is okay. You can see here the zoo is. Okay and in the just left hand side here you can see is a temple. Okay Jagannath Mandir. Okay this is. So we are entering here petrol pump. Okay. So okay. So guys here okay मैंने मास्क खोल दिया. So yes guys here is mama और फिर चलते हैं मॉल के अंदर. Okay ये मास्क के चक्कर में तो मेरा एयरपॉड ही गिर जाएगा. Here I have taken the cart. So guys अभी एंजल काट चुकी है और देख. Yes guys so let's हाँ guys here is Christmas tree because Christmas is near. Guys, I didn't vlog a lot, so don't mind how I am vlogging. So guys, here we are searching for butter, but it is cheese. Mama, cheese le le. Yes, guys. So here is the butter. Okay, they are very big bags, so I didn't know we have to buy it or not. By the way, let it take and okay, I have to take it. And she's sitting all over here in the cart. Okay, so let's. हाँ?
ये चीज़ क्यों ले रही?
हाँ हमने बटर लिया फिर चीज़ ये चीज़ इसने लिया. So guys, let's go. So guys, we have taken flour here. And okay, I think we have to buy something to drink. Okay, so what happened? So guys, here we are purchasing Santa Cruz soft chew candies. Okay, and no, this one is not for us. Can you see Angel? She's like she have to eat just now that candy. So guys, here we are purchasing some of the chocolate. So guys here are the guys I want to buy हक्का नूडल्स but मुझे हक्का नूडल्स कहीं मिला ही नहीं. मुझे हक्का नूडल्स मसाला तो मिल गया और उसके बाद मैंने पिज़्ज़ा सीजनिंग्स के लिए कुछ मुझे ऑरिगेनो मिला, वाइट सॉस मिला लेकिन चिली फ्लेक्स नहीं. So guys that's the reason we haven't tried. So let's just go and try to buy anything else. So here we are taking kiwis. So let us take it up and we are checking which. This one is looking perfect. cup, but our packaging is not. So here we have taken the key. Papa, क्या second floor पे चलना है? Okay guys, so we are leaving here our cart and we are moving on the second floor. Guys, here we and dark fantasy. So we are taking kappa noodles. So I mean cup noodles, whatever. So last time we have tried this, I think. So I'm only gonna to be buy this one, and this is of 50 rupees. So I will be taking 2 pieces. So here, see whatever here is. Here is Angel who is carrying all the things because our cart we have. Okay, we are taking this 20 wala lace chips, blue, green wala. Taking this one. Guys, we have kept
यही सबके लिए डेली
here all it is.
यही सब लिए थोड़ा छोटा
trolley cart and we have taken almost everything. Okay guys, this one I have to buy. This no, I have already buy one of the chips. So चिल्ली सॉस किधर है? मम्मा ऑयल लेना है? वहाँ पर है, इसके वहाँ चेक करेंगे। चिल्ली सॉस नीचे हाँ हाँ बॉटल वाला है पर तुम बोल रही थी पाउच लेंगे बॉटल ही सही है कितने ले ले नहीं नहीं ले लेना वो टोमेटो सॉस नहीं है वो चिली सॉस है रेड वाला देखो so guys here we are at the chili sauce and we have kept so guys here we are taking this Maggi pack okay this is very bad और वो डैमेज भी था so let me
Guys, here am I. Here is mom, dad. So that is. Papa, you can take it. Angel, are you mad? You are bossed. Some guys, do you know which is my favorite ice cream flavor? So there's blackcurrant and the essence. So guys, I want to eat ice cream and okay, I'm taking that purple one. Okay, let us talk to Papa.
My papa and he was like we were from when we were being not go back when we will go outside from this then we will be carried right there is mama and baby so yeah let's just make this vlog a video of 2 parts because it's gonna some long because we are going to have many things today right now so ये सारी हाँ बहुत जिद मार मिठाई के लिए खा रही हूँ नहीं बजाने जाती हूँ खाती ना यहाँ पर खाना एक प्लेट एकदम ये क्या करोगी क्या है लस्सी नो वाटरमेलन How many packs of Nada are you using? कहाँ ली टुकटुक? नहीं इधर है। आनू बेबी तुम इधर आओ। उधर नहीं ये इधर almost not almost it is over. Here is Mama. Here is Angel. Behind the camera.
बैग का पैसा नहीं लग रहा है
ओके गाइस ओके कार में जाने के बाद की बेबी अभी यहाँ पे अभी से क्या चाहिए? चलो ये
कुरकुरे ढूंढ रही है।
मुझे फ्यूज दो एंजल। I haven't asked you for one bite. I have told you to give me whole, and I will be cut up this. You didn't want it. But thank
अरे सब अभी पिएगी नहीं यार।
So guys, here we are having the chewing candy. Okay, give me one. I am taking which color? Okay, pink. I have leave some chocolate for Papa. But this is really good. No, Papa didn't want yellow one. Papa want the. Okay, give me the purple one. Papa, take this. Angel. So guys, here I am having that purple one. Let it taste. So guys, as I have seen that the purple one is the blackcurrant flavor. Please me too. Can see guys.
Guys, we are here and we have taken all our boots and things. Yes. So okay, I am having kiwis in my hand because
मजा आया जो हाँ
we have shopping a lot for these things. And guys, this is almost very evening. The time is 5:22. Okay. So here we are having our car. And we are having the car. So let us enter here. So let us enter.
पान दो चिप्स निकाल
Okay, let us go inside. So guys, first we have taken that fruit chew candy, one pack. Then after that, after billing, Angel started eating that. So I have again go there and I have told my father that can we take 2 more packs. So he was like, okay, you can. So I have taken 2 more packs and guys, Angel want water. So okay, wait, let me drink first. So guys, that
सुसुवाई लगने लगी तो माफ करेगा लेकिन ये तो गलती है।
okay guys. So I have Zoom and
सोयाबीन इसलिए ले लिए ना इसमें डालने के लिए चावल में बनाएंगे ना। अच्छा बच के नहीं मुँचा जाता है। हाँ अरे यहाँ बड़ा लग रहा है।
and let us enter and I will be show you the Christmas vibes because this is mall, so it may be. So guys, here I have removed my mask because of my AirPods. Max is also an insurance company and Max is also an fashionable company for the goods. Guys, she is like कि अपने से भी कहीं चले जाती है. So guys, we are here. Angel is like this, you have to drink water. So here we are at the water cooler. So okay, I am here.
कैसे बना? और कुछ करना है?
ये कहाँ जाती है? So gonna have some things, some clothes for Christmas. I didn't know, but this is also woolen and this is also woolen. I mean woolen. Sorry. Guys, you can see Angel कहाँ जा रही है अकेले. Seeing this for Angel, this is the unicorn themes woolen jacket. Okay, let me search for her. Wow, this is also quite pretty, but Angel may not like it. This is not. I didn't want it. I am liking this only. Angel, do you like this? How was it? Comment down below. This white. Angel has chosen a teddy in his jacket's pigment only, you can see. You can
भागा भागा
see. How was it? This teddy, not angel. How was it? Comment down below. Is the raggy. So guys, this is the laggy I think to buy it. This is
और देखो बड़ा साइज
very cute and this is like for the Christmas vibes. I will be wear it on the Christmas day and this is of 30% discount. So let it try to talk with Papa about it. In Crispello one pack and we're gonna do this for the belly. Okay.